Welcome in the QACA Academy. Here are the step-by-step procedure as to how to enroll and take up free and paid online test series for GATE 2022. So first step is to visit QACAacademy.com, and on this QACAacademy.com page, click on the online test. Then a simple registration form opens up, and in this form we are required to fill the basic details like first name. So I write my first name here, then last name, I write my last name, then my email ID, and then I enter my registration telephone number, and then I select a password of my choice, then confirm password. The same thing is to be repeated, and then a CAPTCHA is there to be filled. So 3427761. So that's it needed for registration. Now an OTP is sent to your registered mobile number, and that OTP is filled here. So OTP I have obtained. So that is 3769990. And I click here verify, and that completes my registration. Here I see a message, verification successful. Now the dashboard is open and I can add test packages. First test is free, and then if you want to add on more tests, we can opt for 3 test series or 5 test series depending on my choice. So I click here add test package, and here are the different options. Like I want to avail my free mock test in GATE Civil, so I add this to the cart. The cost is 0, and then I check out of the cart, and then I click here add package at no cost. Now I click here on buy course. The price is 0. So now our status is open. I can start my test at this time. So I start the test, and the test page opens, and I can start and solve the mock test. So this is the step-by-step procedure. After this you can go for the paid test and prepare yourself for the